And I'm going to use whose turn. Even no need to raise the hands also. Put your hands down. I'm going to use whose turn. Whose name will be there? That child will be answering the question. Kavyansh. Yes. So please tell me. In which I'll open one ruler also for you. If I want to measure the length of this, so will I measure it in centimeter, kilometer, or meter? Just be on your seats and then you ask. Sit down. So is he correct? Centimeter. Is it? Please have a seat. Is it correct or not? Good. Very good reason he has given. Why? Because 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100. Are there centimeters or meters only? This ruler is still 11. But the ruler which you are having in your hands is still 15 centimeter. Okay? So it will be measured in centimeter. Okay. Now next one. Okay. Can you show me this bottle, please? Height of this bottle. Now I want to measure the height of this bottle. So will it be measured in centimeter, meter, or kilometers? Will you use the booster? Sawmill. Okay, so next one is Arohi. Is Arohi here? Yes. Arohi, see this bottle. I want to measure the height of this bottle. So, will we measure it in centimeter, kilometer, or meters? Just think. Think, it's okay. Think for 30 seconds. Yes. See the bottle. I want to measure its length. So, centimeter, meter, or kilometer? Okay, meter. She is saying meter. Is it correct? Wait. Who will explain why is it measured in centimeter to her? Yes, Kavyansh, please explain to her. And everybody in the class that come here and explain why it will be measured in centimeter and not in meters. Please come. Take this and tell them why it is measured in centimeter. This is less than 100 centimeters. This is also a good option. And how much is 1 meter? Yes, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So how much is 1 meter? Have you gone to clothes shop to purchase? Sometimes we go to the shops to purchase and we say to the shopkeeper कि भैया give me this 1 meter clothes या 2 meter clothes. So he measured using a scale. देखा है? बड़ा सा scale होता है उनके पास. They have a big scale. So that is equal to the 1 meter. That is equal to 1 meter. So they measure 1 meter to whatever clothes we want, they measure and give us. So, Arohi, is it clear? This cannot be measured in meters. This will be measured in centimeter. Okay? Yes, good. Wait. Let me ask another one for. Oh, yes. Now, distance from your home to school. Daily you come to school, then you go back to home. Put your hands down. Put your hands down, everyone. Put your hands down. They are going to use only whose turn. Shaurya. Is Shaurya present? So Shaurya, when you go from school to your home, so in which unit you will measure the distance? Centimeter, kilometer, or meter? Kilometer. Very good. Clap for her. Absolutely correct. Well done. Okay. So now I'll give you a question. You will just think and we'll give you the answer. Okay? So the question is 20 centimeter plus dash is equal to, write it in your notebooks. You have 1 minute
Already done.
Good. Correct your spelling. Length. Please correct your spelling. I can see in some notebooks you are not writing the spelling correctly of length. It is Length, not HT. So you need to take care of your spellings also. Okay? Correct. You cannot tell me the answer. Wait. Please wait. You will not tell me the answer. Okay. I can see. Good. Okay. Now let's see who is going to give me the answer now. Ariji. Is Ariji present? Yes. What is the correct answer? Yeah? How much? 200 centimeter. It's okay. No, children, no need to laugh. Okay, so he is saying, let me write his answer. He is saying 200 centimeter. Can you tell me the, stand up please. Can you tell me the logic that how you have got 200 centimeter? Tell me. Why do you think that answer will be 200? Tell me. Whatever is in your mind, you can tell me. So you just have written 200 like that only. Something you should have thought. क्या लगा आपको? Why you have given 200 centimeter? Tell me. No. First, I want to ask him why he has written 200 centimeter. Wait. Okay, so you are confused. You are confused about it. Now, it's okay. Ariji, come here. Hitvik. Please stand up, Ariji. So Hitvik, can you tell me why the answer is not correct? And the whole class.
It is not correct because if it is 200, if it is 200, then it is over 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100.
Very good. Have you understood what he is saying? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter.
And the right
200.
answer is 80 centimeters.
Very good. Clap for him. Well done. So now have you understood what was the reason? See, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and out of 100, 20 is already there. So what is 100 minus 20? What is 100 minus 20? 80. Have you understood now? If I give one more question, will you be able to do? Good. So let's see another question.
And because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Yes, ma'am. When 20 plus 1 meter is equal to 80. When we are
Okay,
testing them.
let's see another question. So now, yes.
Ma'am, can you give R1?
Okay, so you have 1 minute and the time starts now.
This also we have to put in.
Yes, please do it in your room. You have 1 minute to finish.
200.
Well done. Please draw your margin line also. You have not drawn. Okay? Show you. Yes, write your question.
Sir, are you making the video?
You not do can I tell, may I tell, nothing. If you have done, please wait for your friends.
I am already done.